It's right there, I think. Is that a woodpecker? Ah, there, I know.
See, you're not walking.
I don't know what that is.
She went absolutely mental. I've got a little bag coming up.
Sorry.
Are you alright?
I think. You buggers. Where the hell are you? That is the one. It's there. He's sitting there still. Oh, now you're moving. Now you bloody move. I don't know, it's too big. Looks far too big to be a fucking woodpecker. Still haven't got you. You a woodpecker? Could be. Go on, do your tatty-tat-tat. Thank you. Thank you, I'm really grateful. Go on, tatty-tat. Tatty-tat, man. Not even moving. Look at him. There he moves. But there's no colour. Sorry, I don't know. I don't think it's a woodpecker, but it looks like it was trying to tap on there. What's the name? It looks too big. Looks more like a...
Where are you looking?
Where the branches go there, the fork. Is
Oh,
there somewhere.
yeah, I can see
Is it a woodpecker?
No,
I can't really see colours.
you're right, it's too big, I think.
Yeah, I think it's a jackdaw. I think it is. But I can't really see it. Still there. Go on, mate. Go on, don't worry. Just some nutter. Come on. Where are you? You're still there, aren't you, mate? Sure you are. Don't know what he is. It's alright, mate. He thinks I'm going to nick his stick, probably.